Okay, here's another question where we've got to make x the subject of this particular formula. Notice first we've got two occasions where x appears in our equations, so we've got to gather those up eventually and take x out as a common factor. But first of all, we've got to cross multiply, and we cross multiply with the denominator of x minus 2. I'll pop in a bracket because it'll be more obvious that way. Therefore, y multiplied by x minus 2 must be equal to the old numerator up here, which is w plus x. Now we've got to multiply this bracket out by multiplying the y by both those terms. So we get yx minus 2y is equal to w plus x. Well, as I said, we've got to gather these x's together. So this guy here must move sides. And to do that, we've got to subtract x from both sides. Let me do this in single steps. So I get, therefore, yx that hasn't moved, take away x, which has moved, because we're subtracting x from both sides, minus 2y, which hasn't moved, is equal to w, the thing that's left on the right-hand side now that the x has disappeared. So now we've got to get rid of the 2y to the other side by adding 2y to both sides. So therefore, yx minus x is equal to w, adding 2y to both sides, plus 2y. Now we can take x out as a factor here. Open a bracket. What are we left with inside the bracket? Y minus 1. Just check it. That will give us xy, all right, yx doesn't matter, and this will give us a single negative x, so we're okay. And this is copy and paste, and therefore, our last line. To unglue the x multiplied by y minus 1, we have to divide through by y minus 1. So we get x is equal to w plus 2y divided by y minus 1. And that is your answer.